In the shadow of Exeter Cathedral lies the Devon and Exeter Institution, a private library since 1813. The area has been occupied since Roman times, and the building was once home to a Civil War general. With a new extension ready on paper, our engineer, Josh, was on site to set out supporting piles for the future construction. He was also charged with surveying the ground levels of existing rooms, which will connect to the new building. The lack of space within the work area and the age of the existing structure required the teams to delicately work around each other. The project is managed by Carrick, who specialize in building conservation across the UK. The deformation monitoring of a temporarily closed school in Portland, Dorset, continues. Our team make fortnightly visits to the site, measuring any movement of the playground walls and the surrounding slope. Targets have been fixed along the wall, which enable a permanent, fixed point from which to measure from. Ground levels are measured with a traditional surveyor's leveling staff and a digital level. The Goodmore's project in Exmouth is specializing in constructing luxury homes in the north of the town. Our engineers have been leading the setting out here since the beginning. The day that the storm Babette hit the southwest, they donned their waterproofs and got to setting out the manholes across the project. In Dawlish, we had a topographical team and a SECA, utilities team working together. We had the road closed and a traffic management team in place to enable free movement across the site and for the safety of our staff. This meant that the surveys had to be completed before the road reopened. The stretch of highway had to be surveyed in detail, both above and below ground. So, topographical total stations and prisms worked beside ground-penetrating radar and CAT scanners. Instruments were linked via prisms around bends along the whole stretch.
Kemp. Surveying the southwest for tomorrow.